how to enable unknown sources installing in Android. So, let me tell you, by default, Android devices block the installation of apps from unknown sources for security reasons. But to allow third party apps installation, you need to simply go to the settings on your device. Now you need to scroll down and tap on password and security option. Here you need to select system security option. After that, scroll down and here is the option of app installation. Under that, you can find installation sources. Tap on it and here you need to toggle on the installation sources from where you wanna install the unknown sources on Android. After you have selected the sources, you can download the APK files from trusted sources. And after you have installed and downloaded the APK files, you need to again toggle off and switch off this installation sources enability. So once you have done that, you can easily enable the unknown sources installation in Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.